Wow, they actually got married. Yo, as you can see, this is what we'll be doing today. Doing this helicopter ride all the way in Las Vegas, baby. So just join me and check it out, baby. As you can see, I had to fasten the seatbelt. As you can see, everything looks cool, sharp, amazing. Okay, so let me show you around. This is the view. That's all Las Vegas, downtown Las Vegas right there. That's okay, zoom in. Downtown Las Vegas, right there. We have some champagne too. Wow, they actually got married. So it's your anniversary?
Yes.
20 years anniversary. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Karina.
Karina. Miguel.
Yes.
How 20 years? What's the secret to 20 years of getting married?
He don't speak English. But the secret tolerance.
Tolerance.
Yes. Respect.
Tolerance and respect.
No. How do you say bad word?
Bad?
Words.
Oh, bad words.
Yeah,
Like
no.
No bad words, like no cursing.
Yes.
So basically it's polite language.
Yes.
Wow. Congrats. You
Thank
guys
you.
inspire me.
Thank you.
I've never even lasted in a relationship for 6 months.
6 meses.
I'm inspired by you. And yeah, it's just me and the rest. And that's our chopper right there. And yeah, so I'll keep showing you guys much more. But all in all, join me in this Las Vegas trip. And if you have not subscribed to my video, I ask you to subscribe right now and I'll take you to so many different places. I love you all. It was an awesome ride, for real. He's the best right here.
That's one of my favorite ones we just did, for sure.
Oh, really?
I like the time. It's a good amount of time in the helicopter. Going to the canyon takes forever.
Yeah.
It's like 2 hours.
Yeah.
You can sick of my voice by the end of it.
All right, guys, so we just finished our ride, and yeah, it was amazing. So just keep walking with me. I'll be showing you around Las Vegas Strip on the ground level. So thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel. I love you all.